Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. If your Amana washer is making loud, unsettling noises every time it fills up with water, you're in the right place. This is a common issue that can often be fixed at home without calling a professional, saving you time and money. In this video, we'll break it down step by step so you can get your washer running quietly again. Let's dive in. First, understand the problem. Loud noises during the filling cycle are usually caused by high water pressure, a faulty inlet valve, or debris buildup in the filters. For example, if your home's water pressure is too strong, it can create a banging sound as water rushes in. Or, if the inlet valve is worn out, it might not regulate water flow properly. Start with the basics. Check your water pressure. Grab a pressure gauge from your local hardware store and attach it to an outdoor faucet. If it's over 80 psi, that's likely the culprit. You can install a pressure regulator to fix this. It's a simple DIY job that costs under $20. Next, inspect the inlet valve. Unplug your washer for safety, then locate the valve at the back of the machine. Look for any cracks, corrosion, or blockages. If it's dirty, clean it with a soft brush and warm water. If it's damaged, you'll need to replace it. Search for an Amana-compatible part online, and follow the installation guide in your washer's manual. Don't forget about the filters. Over time, they can get clogged with sediment or lint, leading to noisy operation. Turn off the water supply, remove the hoses, and clean the filters thoroughly. Reattach everything securely to prevent leaks. Once you've completed these steps, run a test cycle to see if the noise is gone. If it persists, it might be a more serious issue like a loose drum or motor problem. Time to call in a technician. There you have it, folks. By following these tips, you should have your Amana washer filling up quietly in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and happy fixing.